Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable low power mode on Disney Plus to reduce data usage and save battery life while streaming, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account. Step 2. Note that Disney Plus does not have a built-in low power mode, but you can adjust video quality settings to reduce power consumption. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Step 4. Select App Settings from the menu. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Cellular Data Usage or Video Quality. Step 6. Select Save Data or choose a lower video quality option such as Standard or Low to reduce battery usage. Step 7. On your device, enable System-Level Low Power Mode by going to Settings, then Battery, and toggling on Low Power Mode or Battery Saver. Step 8. This will reduce background activity and optimize streaming performance on Disney+. Step 9. Additionally, lower your screen brightness to further conserve battery life while watching videos. Step 10. Restart the Disney Plus app to apply the new settings and enjoy longer streaming sessions with reduced power consumption. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.